Peace FM 104.3. Wutumi Take.
Democracy nana de nyina ya gya tum say ye de ejuma wo my way mo. Na one of the cardinal features of democracy the man who say crow we our komuno and on my way I would wa be mo no. Democracy na ejuma ni say it should be back on board obi atimi chie na adwen. The main feature of democracy. Uchire wa adwen police encho ana court enkache say koshe jail ana ye do kotu. But uchire wa adwen no nchire say wa gina wa che no by force eno na emfanye den emfanye ejuma. In fact, the ama democracy den say uchire wa adwen now we are convinced say emfanye ejuma na emfanye. Guess what? Otimi ko court. Na court I take you side ama de o person ye ya yama na abakosem eni okwa e ade a yesu ade free mu enti adopa mi chia mi brother lawyer Fenyo Market time electoral commission etu anoma bia o ka chomu se de mu ye no emfa kwamonye correct no omo si o ye nim de ye gina ho a Afenyo court Supreme Court electoral commission do na ka teni se sa autonomy e ka temu no mu free se mutimi ye dia mu pe munko back na munko yesho say what is within the law enti afuto kakra me di mind this ni say mu free said the mu bisa no it's outside the discretionary powers of the electoral commission na within me lawyer but me person me use some terms lawyers too na within legal boundaries court na ko ka judges ni say mami we o person hard na mo fa don kasa. The only reason why the NDC and I grant them is allowed omo ye protest ni demonstration ni dede nyina ni say omunim they are aware that what they are asking for is something that is within the discretionary powers of the electoral commission granted by the 1992 constitution. So omo hwa na new register here omo timi ye ana omo timi maintain na otie minwa mo wo NDC a kasa ni bebre o si na mo kura de na mo suro wo new register oka o si cost ebo edin on my way here roads ye nsio and a register way ne boy 400 million ye kasa na akoye ti say anka ya new register anka status quo no e ka bia ne hu ina na ka che wo say preparation towards 2020 without any register no why na ka che say 0 Ghana cedis nana mabebo prices ni bi wada mebo 2-3 bi na kai tiefo upgrading the data center before 2020 election $50 million upgrade and new data center and no me da say Sami Jefiko ama me sign say figure na mabonu yampa ama me sign 82.5 million Ghana cedis Sami aka say yampa dey me mama kasa no wow figures no. This is upgrading data center by STL. Nkofo na fache mi o NDC time omu di electoral commission omu no mu hwema ye no. Omu si madam ye call into new election my year 82.5 million na ye fan ye upgrade of data center. Madam number 2 every year Ghana umaye $3.9 million for maintenance of the data center. 3.9 times udemi manu 5.5. Nana $3.9 million annually. Bamucho enye every 4 years. 90.5 million Ghana cedis every year. Within 4 years, 78 million. So data center where Jumape approaching 150 million Ghana cedis. Nana, where a status quo cost to? Professor status quo cost. One year new register a car over bought and said what do 2020. Now the same vendor. Or see, machines na year registration. It was on top of floor. And then in Akrobeto, half of them, we are talking about 20 to 30,000 machines. One is going to cost this country, Nana, 5,000. Can you register according to STL, BVR, so Obetoa, $5,145. One machine. Now, Madam Jimensa Bisa company say, me pamucho. Mobile refurbishment say oh yeah maintenance I say car who say untune no almost $3,500 for one machine. That is the status quo. A car can be bought before 2020 multiply by 20,000. So in reality no oye calculation na Jean Mensa me ka de bia me ni trim now so I suspect say what made her even think first of a new register was the cost of the status quo. Oye obia opese onye no suban ti say papa bia minim no me body e be ka say media politics opese on boy sika ho ban the efe no value for money analysis. Enti Jean Mensa ehwe marketing obi say obi person onye new data center mamia ahin na bi new data center you see was Ghana yes $7 million. $7 million for new, and upgrading the old one is going to cost $50 million. And omo can say ye be Ghana sika ho ban no sebi o mo bresu scam na mutuani. And it's our cost ni there. When you see an NDC man or woman talking about cost, don't think about say or person just service for Ghana, a server for power or petumi na le catch say for example for na ni busu for madwe ho a on person on bo sika ho ban na anka Bank of Ghana anka they nearly went into a contractor worth 4.6 billion. Nana say what is something switch systems announce here
mate
system ayedi beye all mobile networks about one platform so before Mahama left the agreement they signed lucky on my way I'm on Yankupon yet you enda Yankupon asi so all can Ghana for akuma almost is about na twemu and we're going to pay 4.6 billion Ghana cedis for one service provider say all your mobile operability. That's those times now about $1 billion. And now Midu Kasai Ghana has paid, we have spent less than $5 million to do that particular job. Service, value for money. Mr. T Boa, na I have fly open it here. Nana, just like me the last time. A Koba Coupe and I put above MPP and I put before your party. Only one group in this world, and I made two before MPP,
which is
South Ye Ghana or my Ghana, the entity Ghana. And after all the debates, and I want to more or less find some middle grounds and carry my brothers along. Encouragement, I'm person more mono. Last week, Obi say already headliner is your co-buy pastor. Yes, sir. Trust them. They are kind of 2 years. Nana. Nam first, me so man tibi biasi anami me new side. Me timi ye gidi sa until I came across Proverbs 17:27. Or see, he who has knowledge spares his words. And the second part, the most interesting. Or say, a man of understanding is of a calm spirit. Nana, what did the Bible no kano? Nipa o want tiasiano. Oshana, susuma odi opetuno very calm. Now me 2015. Na me slow pa because na me hu Charlotte say ye. Na me slow because NDC there ukoni timwa. Papa kakra o na so boni bebre o nana. Enti na me slow say no mo si chinchina ye mental register no. Wan hwa na asema to ye. Until me nya understanding say to me ni electoral commission. To me wo Ghana for nsem. So we started to focus more on our programs and not protests. Yeah, very, very vigilant. Vigilance became our watchword and not venom. Say a buefu. And the most important thing, we started to focus more on the record of President Kufuor and the record of the Danko Abuzia tradition instead of the register that was about to be used. Now, Nyankupo Adom, now NDC in the world to me, on our power. Charlotte says, Sebio na mi hunu ye. Now, so when you know, yedi GM, H2 form, no, and you say one side net form, a form Bram. I 1 million plus votes. Enti mi pese sami jefinti asese mi panucho gidi ni kasa esro kasa ena wan hwe jabe to man we mu ena Ghana be shiri na no u kasa na suade free de 2 MPP no enya ade a register ne be kire se obeba power na umba power ejuma wa yeda. Enti let's focus on the records. Now your second part now I'll give some attention to some of the things Akufo-Addo aye. I nuntiru mi ko 2020 no me da now Jean Mensa there I said I care less whether she gives me a new register or an old one in Lejokuku, just the same for the president across the country because uba Lejokuku enye register remember Dr. Koboy atina na obeko. It is about the needs of the people, the record that is in place, any programs are yes you in stock for them. Intina me pa macho to me there Ghana Fonsem any electoral commission. Jean Mensa cannot make Mahama president or make Mahama. The only person who can make Mahama president or reject Mahama is the same person who rejected him in 2016.
024.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?